Hi guys! Today I'm going to be eating donuts as Frieren! Oh my god, I don't know if you guys have seen the scene where she's eating the donuts, but I thought it was so cute, and also it made me really crave donuts. Like, I usually don't like donuts that much, and I'm very picky about them. Like, I think Krispy Kreme is like disgusting. But I heard that Randy's Donuts in LA was super good, so I bought it and I'm cosplaying Frieren. It better be good because I bought 12 and guess how much it costs? $54 because I got it delivered, and Uber Eats is so expensive, and the tip and the delivery and everything. So I can't believe I spent $54 on donuts when I don't even know if I'm gonna like them. But as Frieren, I will like them. So let's try. Oh my god. Okay, I got my donut pile, my teacup. I also got a milk cup because I can't eat donuts without milk. I'm trying to like recreate the scene a little bit, like, cause she had her donut pile, you know? Let's try. I think this one is a regular donut. I think I also got cake donuts. I hope I like them. Some cake donuts are kind of disgusting. Okay, but let's try. Okay, oh my god. That was so good. I like zoned out for a second because I was like, whoa, surprisingly amazing. Okay. I think I'm trying to recreate like when she's holding the donut. Okay, well, I hope that's good. Okay, I love that one. I'm gonna try them all before I finish it because I don't think I can eat them all. Okay, next, I think this one's the maple glazed cake donut. Very different. I had one good cake donut in my life, and every other cake donut I really regretted not just getting a regular donut, so we'll see. Okay, it's good. Whoa, those people that said rainy donuts are good, they were not lying. This is so good. Oh my god. I don't know where to put my half-eaten donut pile. Okay. I got 2 of the maple glazed cake because I was trying to make the pile look like the pile, okay? She has like a lot of neutral colored donuts and some chocolate. So I wanted to get all pink sprinkle, but it wasn't canon, okay? I made sacrifices for you guys. Okay, next. This is also a cake donut. I have no idea what flavor this was. I assume vanilla. What else could white be? I mean, I guess we'll find out. Oh, yum. This one's good too, but actually I think I like the maple one better. Like, I don't know, it's just sweet. It doesn't taste like any flavor in particular. It just kind of tastes like sweet. So next I think this is the devil food cake donut. I don't know. Randy Snows is gonna come to me after this video and be like, you got all those donut flavors wrong. Like, we don't even have those flavors. Or like, that was the completely wrong donut. But anyways, I got one devil food cake donut. And this one is brown and it's a cake donut, so it could be this one. Let's try. Oh my god, this one's really good. This one literally tastes like a cake. Like the icing tastes like cake icing. I feel like this is the devil food cake one. I don't know. This one's good too. I don't know if I like this or maple better, but it's good. Okay, next is, I think, just a regular chocolate cake donut. I got a lot of cake donuts. I don't know why. I don't think I was like paying attention when I was ordering. Not as good as the other chocolate one. It's okay, I guess. My Kirby. Okay, it's getting kind of messy. Next is, I think, strawberry cake donuts. Maybe. I don't know. Okay, let's try. Oh wait, no, this is a cherry. Cherry for sure. I don't know if I like this one either. It's not bad, but the cherry tastes kind of like super artificial cherry. I don't know. Not a huge fan. Okay. Next is strawberry and sprinkles, I think. Oh my god, like 50 sprinkles just fell off everywhere. I hope this one's good. Usually I love pink donuts. Maybe just because they're pink, but let's find out. It's good. I love sprinkles. The flavor itself is, but the sprinkles? Oh, no one can mess up sprinkles. Okay. Next. Oh my god, my donut tower. Next is a regular glazed donut. I hope it's good. I like these a lot too, usually. Oh my god. This one is so good. A good glazed donut is like amazing. I should have got more of these. Like, I don't know, cake donuts are okay, but I don't like them as much as regular donuts. Oh my god, my hands are so sticky. Okay, next, I have absolutely no idea what this is. Cinnamon, maybe? I don't know, let's find out. It's definitely cinnamon. Like, too much cinnamon. Oh my god, makes me think of the cinnamon challenge. Like, oh. As a kid, I really thought that I could do the cinnamon challenge. I mean, everyone did. It sounds so easy, like you just swallow a spoonful of cinnamon, but even that donut was too much cinnamon for me. I was like, oh. Okay, next, this sugar donut. I don't know, it literally just has like sugar on it. I guess we'll see. I don't know, it's okay. But it just tastes like donut and sugar on it, like. So, anyways, I started rewatching Frieren the other day because I was watching with someone who hadn't watched it, but I already watched like basically up until like where it stopped. So we started over, and oh my god, like when Himo dies at the beginning, is that a spoiler? I hope not. It's literally episode 1. But when he died the first time around, I did not care at all. Like he died. I thought, okay, and this little short, bald man with a beard, like, who had 2 seconds of screen time. And then they went to the funeral and she didn't seem all that upset either, so I was like, I don't know what's going on. I didn't even know if I was gonna like the anime at that point, because I was like, oh, it's after their whole journey, like, what even happens after that? Well, anyways, I ended up loving the anime. Like, loving. Like, maybe one of my favorite animes ever, and it's not even done. But I bought, like, an art book. I bought her cosplay. I even got her winter cosplay, so we can do a snow shoot with it. Coming soon. And I got pretty emotional, like, while watching it, because I was just like, this is so wholesome, like, friendship, adventure. I wish I could adventure, you know? So, oh my god, too much donut. So I'm rewatching episode 1, right? Now that I knew all the characters more, I was like, oh, this is so cute. Like, all their adventure scenes, I was like, oh my god, like, how cute. And then they get to, like, Himo's death, and I started sobbing. My friend was like, what is going on? He was like, are you okay? He was like, this man has been on the screen for 2 seconds. Like, what is wrong with you? And I was like, you don't understand. You don't understand. Oh my god. I cried for like maybe an hour. I cried through the whole episode and after. And the whole thing is just so sad. Like, so sad. The thing is, it was like the night before my birthday that we started the episode, and like while the episode was playing, it became my birthday. Like, it became like midnight and past. And the thing is, I always cry on my birthday. I don't know why. something makes me emotional, or like something happens, you know? Like, I can't remember a single birthday which I didn't cry. And this year, I was feeling so mentally stable. No seasonal depression like usual. Like, I have a January birthday, which sucks because it's like gloomy and I'm depressed. And then I've been feeling amazing recently. Like, life's amazing. And I thought this year I'm not gonna cry on my birthday. I haven't cried in months. Maybe not months, like weeks. But I used to cry a lot, you know? So I was like, this year it's not gonna happen. And then, like, I guess it's fate, because I watched the episode and spent the first half hour of my birthday crying. What can you do? I don't know. I tried my best, you know. This is a lot of donuts. Okay. Like, you know, mukbangers always have like huge amounts of food and somehow they eat it all. I do not know how they do that. Like, that has always baffled me. Like, when I was in college, I was obsessed with mukbangers. My YouTube was mukbang only. Like, nothing else was recommended. And everybody eats like 5 tons of food. And then they are perfectly skinny and fit. And I'm like, how are they doing this? And they upload videos a lot, you know, like twice a week. I don't know. I feel like I used to have a really huge appetite in college. And back then when I watched the mukbangs, I thought I could do this. And I watched the 10,000 calorie challenges and thought I could do this. Like, and I should have done it back then because now I have like a much smaller appetite. I don't know why. But like eating 10,000 calories in a day, no. There's no way. I already feel full and I've eaten like 2 bites of 12 donuts. It probably equals out to like 1.5 or 2 donuts total, and I'm like, I'm stuffed. In other news, while I was getting ready for this, I was getting into cosplay. I was like half in cosplay, no wig, but my eyebrows were painted. So just imagine normal hair, half of this, and then like gigantic silver block eyebrows. And suddenly I hear a knock on my door. And I'm so confused because I'm like, who would possibly be knocking on my door? You know? So I go to the door, open it a little. It's the UPS man, and he needs a signature. And I'm like, and he looks at me, and he's like, and I can tell he's trying not to judge, but he's judging a little bit. He's like, I just need your signature, ma'am. I'm signing, and I look crazy, and he's probably like, I came to a crazy lady's house. Oh my god, like, being seen in cosplay is one thing, But being seen half in cosplay, you literally look deranged. Like, you just have the craziest makeup, and it looks like, for no reason, it looks like you just like to do your makeup like that. And then, because I was only wearing half the cosplay, it just looks like I have very strange fashion taste as well. Like, it doesn't look like I'm in a costume, you know? So that's my tale of suffering for today. Okay guys, I know this is pathetic, but I'm so full. I mean, it's crazy to think anyone should eat $54 worth of donuts in one sitting. So, just gonna keep this for later. Thank you for joining. I achieved my goal of having her little moment, you know. And now I'm so full. I feel like I'm in a food coma and I ate like 2 donuts. Okay, well, thanks for joining. As always, you should like, comment, and subscribe. And if there's any character that you want to see me do a mukbang with, you should let me know in the comments and I will try my best. Oh my god. Frieren, kiss, exit. Is that like how she does it? I don't know. Anyway, see you guys next time.